Good morning, Year 2. Your learning objective for today is to complete your retell. Throughout this week, you've been developing ideas and vocabulary in order to include them in today's activity. Yesterday, you completed your planning grid, and this can be used today alongside your activity sheet to help you write your detailed retell. Let's have a quick look at your success criteria for today's activity. At the side here is the grid that you're used to seeing whenever we do a big write activity. Today it's all the things we need to include in a retell. As you can see at the top of the grid, we've got all the different elements we would expect to see when we do a retell of a story. And the bits at the bottom underneath the purple heading are our non-negotiables. Lots of what is on the success criteria today was included in your planning grid yesterday. So you can use those ideas you developed yesterday and put them into your retell today. Remember, you are not just copying the words and simple sentences, you are now putting the story into full sentences and paragraphs. You should all have this grid from yesterday that you completed with all the relevant information to help you make the job today much easier. We completed this grid so you wouldn't have to remember every single thing off by heart without the storybook in front of you. You've included all the vocabulary that you have developed or chosen throughout the week. I now want to see some of this language put into fantastic, interesting sentences and developed into a really nice retell of the whole story. Your retell pro forma can be found on Purple Mash, just like with all the other activities. I want you to take your time, really make sure that those non-negotiables are all there, and as many elements of the retell success criteria are included. Once you've completed your retell, send your learning to me, I will mark it and then send you back your feedback.